Hi everyone, I had shared this beautiful lilac eye look on my Instagram and I got a lot of compliments on this look. So let's get started. So first I'm priming my eyes. I'm just applying the concealer from the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I will share all the shades in my description box for your reference. And for this look I have used the e.l.f. palette, and on that palette I'm using the peach shade first to just for the base of this look. You can use any palette, if of your choice. If there is any purple shade or lilac shade on it, you can definitely use it. So we just need the base cream shade. I use the purple, the dark purple, and there's one light purple over there, and a shimmery purple shade in the e.l.f. palette. So I will share the pic on the screen for your reference. So in between I'm again using that peach shade just to remove those hard lines, which just to blend in the purple and the cream shade. So now I'm using my fingers to, from the palette to take that shimmery purple shade just to apply on top of the matte purple. So here I'm using the Fit Me concealer again just to wipe out the excess and give it a nice and neat shape. Next up, I'm filling in my eyebrows, and I'm using the Benefit Cosmetic the brow pencil. I'm taking the matte purple shade just to fill in the lower eyelashes. I'm making a thin wing eyeliner using the Stay Quirky liquid pen liner Eye Enigma, and I think there is no shade, but this is black. Next up, I'm using the mascara from the Revlon Mega Multiplier. After this I realized I have to change because I'm gonna put foundation, and that may make my the lilac shirt or purple shirt dirty. So I quickly changed my outfit and I put this sweatshirt, and then I started applying this foundation, which is from Maybelline. After using the Maybelline foundation, then I started with the lips, and I did my outline with the Swiss Beauty lip liner. Next I'm using lipstick from L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade 820, and the shade name is, I'm not able to read it, it's very small, but 820 is a number. It's a beautiful pinkish nude shade. Then I'm setting my face with the foundation with the Stay Quirky Compact. After this, I have used the Flower Beauty blush in the shade Sweet Pea. That's a powder blush. For highlighter, I'm using from Maybelline New York Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter Illuminator Metallic. So I hope you like this look, and don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel and share my video to all your friends and family. Stay blessed, stay happy, bye bye.